NDA stands for non-disclosure agreement. It is a legal contract that says you cannot talk about what happens inside this company. You see a leak on the news, someone broke their NDA. Never sign one without reading the exclusions first. Your boss asks about your KPIs. Do you panic or do you perform? Let's talk about key performance indicators. A KPI is a scorecard for your work. It measures how successful you are at your job using real numbers. If your KPI is sales, your goal is the number. Hit your KPIs and you get the promotion. Ignore them and you're out. People use these words interchangeably. They are wrong. There is a massive difference between a founder and a CEO. The founder is the person with the idea. They built the company from zero. They are the parent of the business. The CEO is the captain of the ship. Their job is to manage the company and make it grow. A founder isn't always a good CEO. Now you know the difference. Level up your social intelligence.